Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to source for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota RAV4. With Toyota's track record of reliability and innovation, expectations are high for this latest iteration. Let's explore what's new, what's improved, and what makes the 2026 RAV4 a standout in the compact SUV segment. Design and exterior updates. The 2026 RAV4 sports a refreshed exterior design, with sharper lines, a wider stance, and a modernized front grille. New LED headlight clusters and available 20-inch alloy wheels give it a more aggressive, upscale look. Toyota offers new color options and updated trim accents, giving buyers more personalization choices than ever. Interior and tech. Inside, the RAV4 has seen a major tech overhaul. A new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an upgraded 14-inch infotainment touchscreen take center stage, both running the latest Toyota audio multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are standard across all trims. Cabin materials feel more premium, with soft-touch surfaces and optional leather-trimmed seating. Performance and efficiency. Toyota continues offering multiple powertrain options. Expect a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and hybrid variants, with improved fuel economy and smoother acceleration. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime returns with enhanced battery range and quicker charging times. All-wheel drive is available across most models, making it capable in various driving conditions. Safety and driver assistance. The 2026 RAV4 includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite. It adds advanced features like proactive driving assist, enhanced lane tracing assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Toyota remains committed to making safety standard, not optional. Conclusion. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 blends reliability with modern style and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're looking for efficiency, capability, or daily comfort, it delivers across the board. Stay tuned to Vehicle Club for more updates, reviews, and comparisons. Thanks for watching.